guys a little bit about the Facelift Phantom pole. So this is the Facelift Phantom pole 22 foot. Really the main thing that they have switched up, and the only other facelift pole I've used is the Xero Ultimate pole, which is a facelift pole rebranded through Window Cleaning Resource as a Xero pole. So those poles had the clamps that went up like this. These clamps now are to the side, like so. Very easy to move in and out. Cool thing about these clamps now is they're not glued anymore. They're all bolted and clamped on so that you're never going to have them break on you. They'll last for a long time. I've only been using it for a couple weeks, so you know, I couldn't tell you how long they're going to last, but I hope for a very, very long time. Very easy to tighten them. All you got to do is open it there and twist that to tighten them. So very, very simple. The only thing that Facelift needs to work on are these end caps for the bottom. I actually JB welded mine so it doesn't come off, but everything I've ever had come off, they come off really easy. So I would just weld them or get some glue. That's one thing you guys should work on. But overall, the clamps, you know, are jam proof. So let me show you. Here. So Facelift Phantom, I was playing with it a little bit, and actually what I did was, so I had JB welded, found it. So I had actually JB welded the end cap to this and wound up welding all the pieces together in the bottom. So I got that loose. But out of that came kind of a cool process where learned how to take these things off. So I'm going to show you how these come off and how they tighten. So the really cool thing about this water-fed pole was the clamps are all new, as far as they're no longer glued on, they're just to be tightened. So just your normal Allen wrench, I forget which size it was here, that size right there. So just an Allen wrench. So if you need to replace them or they break or something like that, you can also change the sides of them if you're left-handed or right-handed, which is awesome. So just put it right on there. It's going to stop where it needs to stop at, and just simply, there's like, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, there's almost two little things right there that are going at an angle up towards each other. So you're just going to tighten it. I'm going to guess you're going to tighten it to where those touch closely. So it feels, I'm not going to go overkill. All right, so it's not coming off. Simple and easy as that. Then you can put your pole all back together. Just like so. So that clamp was just off. It's all good now. I showed this earlier. Super easy to untighten and tighten so that lever is tighter. It's just twisting of that right there. So that's making it tighter. Let's make it quite a bit looser there. That way this can go in easy. Easy as that. That was kind of a scare. So, pole works great if you don't JB weld the end cap on. For overall, great pole, great for residential. There is going to be the bigger versions coming out, so it won't be limited to 22 only. So you'll be able to get this, I believe, up to 50 feet. That's what I'm hearing. And just overall, the clamps are great. I think the biggest thing about this really is the clamps, and that they're no longer glued on. They're really easy to move in and out, even super tight. I mean, this is super tight, you know, as far as I'm not going to be able to rotate it. And also, they're jam proof. They're jam proof as far as your fingers. They're curved. They do that in the Ultimate as well. So if you came down, that's not very hard. I'm trying to get it hard. Boom. Nothing. My phone's ringing. Been out in the garage for an hour. Girlfriend's wondering what's going on. So overall, really awesome pull. This pull really did not go how I wanted to, but the overall pull is amazing. So if you want a sweet light pull, great for residential, thin, skinny, strong, this would be a great pull for you. So anyways, guys, if you have any questions, comment below. And that's about it. Talk to you later.